satellite scan.
Yeah?
Pops, police car that was stolen in Orlando is driving in
Yeah.
Mile Sharp. The police NP300, the Nissan.
If you're on the review, I'm going to come and assist you quickly.
Alright, I'm gonna look to try and find it now.
Alright.
So I'm trying to find
On
it
Mile
now.
Sharp.
It was on Mile Sharp now, so I'm on my way. So yeah.
Okay, I think I could. Let's go.
Alright.
Okay, alright, bye.
Bye bye. Alpha 2, November Juliet 3, myself and November Juliet 1 are going to be out trying to find it. Can we confirm if this one is still wanted? Dag sê, julle kan ons asseblief hierdie een toets dringend, laat ons weet of die ding nog positief is. Apparently is dit die een wat in Orlando gevat was en hy word nog gesoek. Kan ons dit confirm asseblief? Dankie manne.
One.
Send.
Hey, on Mile Sharp, did it go?
It was Mile Sharp direction Pretoria Road.
Okay, I'm on Pretoria Road at the moment, looking for it.
Say again?
Is it marked?
Fully marked. Check on the SNIPR cameras. It's a fully marked NP300, like the normal SAPS vans. Alright, it has coming towards Snake Road. So it's either gone straight over into Rhinefield itself, or it's gone right, going towards Pretoria Road by Rhinefield Terrace. Alright, Pops, it's either gone Rhinefield Terrace or it's gone straight over, coming towards me.
Repeat that one.
Alright, so it's either gone towards Rhinefield. So it's either gone towards Rhinefield Terrace or it's gone over Mall Shop into Rhinefield Northmead area. How's it, Jono?
How's it, buddy?
Stand by.
I don't think it went up Pretoria Road. Isn't triggered either one.
Yes.
I think it went over Mall Shop into Rhinefield area.
Yeah, I'm gonna go in there, that area now, to see if I can find it.
I'm also gonna go try and find it.
Alright, perfect. Myself and my dad's out with his car, I'm out with the bucky. He's got a +1 with him, so we're gonna see if we can find it. Just keep us updated.
Yeah, just go to O'Reilly Mary Street, O'Reilly Mary. Just go check there.
Alright, I'll do that.
Okay, I'll also go up now.
Alright, sweet, bro.
Okay, bye.
Cheers, bye. Either gone to O'Reilly Mary or it's gone into the Rhinefield area. I see you've gone straight over by the Bunny Park. I'm on your left.
Okay, say again. You just said you're on my left.
Yeah, coming up behind you. I see you've just gone around the bend there by the speed humps. So yeah, it's a fully marked police car. Bravo Tango Zulu 496 Bravo.
Go right. You're gonna go left. Okay, I might have triggered East Fields. You got that?
That's a popper, yeah. Alright, it's triggered Northmead Square going Great North. Northmead Square going towards Great North.
Thank you.
Papa. Alright, I'm gonna check, you check Great North, I'm going to check Voortrekker. I've got it, 14th Avenue, I've got it. Alright, I'm behind it, going on to Aerodrome, right onto Aerodrome. That's a popper.
Okay, lights off.
Papa. Alright, I'm behind the vehicle going up towards the police college now on Aerodrome, direction police college. Just gone over web.
Okay, I'm staying with you. We'll just wait and see. How many people are in the vehicle?
Couldn't see, I came in behind it.
Ja, ek gaan gou kyk. Kyk hoeveel mense is er.
Ek kopie een minuut.
Xavier, can you confirm if this thing is still positive, please? We are at the police college now, going left to Great North.
Okay, 2 people in the vehicle.
Copy that. They're turning right. Alright, they're going into the Gauteng Flying Squad Benoni now.
It's fine, it's going in there, that's it, flying squad.
Send for me.
Update there, please. I'm not checking my phone now.
Copy that. Alright, we've just turned right into the Flying Squad. Yeah, by Jock, turned right into Flying Squad.
Good, thank you.
Alright. Copy, thank you. Yeah, we've pulled into the Flying Squad, going to the back of Flying Squad now.
Okay, copy. Maybe it was repaired and never taken off the system when it was recovered. So we're just going to find out for you as well.
Copy that.
Did you get a report on your car when there's a trigger on your car?
Stand by for me. Let me check for you quickly.
Let's go, copy. Look the side of the vehicle, there are still marks, shooting marks. Stand your car so that you can see what's happening here.
Copy.
Okay, I see it did come through now, Frankie, on your vehicle as well. Snipers just checking the validation center quickly, they sent me a message.
Copy that. Yeah, there's still bullet holes and everything on this vehicle on the site, so we're just going to confirm everything as well. We are at the Flying Squad.
I wonder if I can get a SEPS 13 for you there. Don't seem so pretty Killian is there. I think it's complete direct.
Copy that. Yeah, no, the Oaks are just identifying themselves and everything now. So. Ja, so. Maar jy moet check hier binne, daar's nog rondes wat deur die kar gegaan het wat nog in die kar lê. Wel, hulle het polisie badges, ID's. Ja. So maar daar's 'n vrou se Swaziland paspoort wat in die kabiel lê. So ja, en daar's nog kat of ronde, stukke van of 'n volle ronde wat deur die kar gegaan het wat nog in die kar lê ook. Ja. Ja, nee, hulle sal hier uitsort. Ek sal julle laat weet as ons ietsie kort. Alright, perfect. Dankie almal. Okay, bye. I'm just gonna pull in and then reverse out the way.
Introducing Southern Africa's leading and fastest growing security solution provider. Coupled with a growing national network of strategically placed cameras and a variety of partners across many different industries, all number plates that pass SNIPR's cameras are recorded and cross-referenced. All vehicles listed as suspicious or wanted create an immediate alert. The vehicle is stopped and the suspect apprehended. Join forces with us in combating crime today. Contact the SNIPR team for more information.